Welcome back to Car Mania, your ultimate destination for in-depth automotive reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated vans of 2026, the all-new Volkswagen van. Whether you're a longtime VW enthusiast or just someone looking for a reliable and efficient van with a bold design and strong performance, this one's going to get your attention. Volkswagen has been an iconic name in the van segment for decades, and in 2026, they've pushed the boundaries further with this model. What we're looking at today is not just a family mover or a business hauler. It's a refined piece of automotive engineering designed for performance, comfort, and versatility. And yes, this van isn't just about practicality anymore. It's a statement. Under the hood, the 2026 Volkswagen van features a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup in its top variant, which delivers impressive torque and responsiveness for a vehicle of this size. You're looking at a total system output of around 340 horsepower, depending on the configuration. This translates to brisk acceleration and confident highway cruising. Volkswagen claims a 0 to 60 time of just under 6.5 seconds, which, for a van, is genuinely impressive. For the standard trims, there's also a rear-wheel drive single-motor version that churns out about 220 horsepower. Still more than enough for everyday driving, city cruising, and long-distance hauls. The regenerative braking system is highly intuitive, allowing for smooth deceleration and energy recovery without any jerky movements. Whether you're navigating urban traffic or taking on winding rural roads, the power delivery remains smooth and consistent. The ride quality in the 2026 VW van stands out due to its adaptive suspension system. It adjusts automatically to road conditions, keeping things smooth over bumps and potholes. The steering is precise, more so than you'd expect from a van. The turning radius is tight, making it easier to maneuver in narrow streets or crowded parking lots. There's also a drive mode selector that allows you to toggle between eco, comfort, and sport modes. Sport mode sharpens throttle response and adds weight to the steering, giving the driver a more connected experience behind the wheel. On the highway, the van remains composed, with excellent noise insulation and minimal wind noise even at higher speeds. Credit goes to the aerodynamic refinements Volkswagen made to this new model. It glides effortlessly, and the electric drivetrain ensures near-silent performance. Merging, overtaking, and climbing steep grades are handled without stress, and the immediate torque from the electric motors delivers a satisfying surge when you need it. In terms of range, Volkswagen offers two battery options. The standard battery offers around 250 miles per charge, while the extended range version stretches that to nearly 330 miles, depending on conditions and driving style. DC fast charging capability is included, with the ability to recharge from 10 to 80% in just under 30 minutes when using a compatible 150 kilowatts charger. That's more than enough for most daily drivers and even long road trips. When it comes to regenerative braking, Volkswagen gives drivers flexibility. There are multiple levels to choose from, and with the most aggressive setting, you can almost drive with one pedal. This setting is ideal for city driving, where frequent stops are common. The regenerative system not only improves efficiency but also contributes to the overall longevity of the braking system. Now, let's talk about stability. The van remains remarkably composed during quick lane changes and even sharp turns, thanks to a low center of gravity, a direct benefit of having the battery pack mounted in the floor. Body roll is minimal, which is impressive for a vehicle with such a high profile. The van's weight is evenly distributed, which contributes to its planted feel on the road. One area where Volkswagen has really stepped up is in driver assistance. The 2026 van comes with the latest IQ drive system, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and traffic sign recognition. The semi-autonomous driving mode works smoothly, particularly during highway commutes. The system keeps the van centered and maintains a safe distance with ease, even in stop-and-go traffic. Volkswagen has also put significant effort into enhancing safety. Alongside the standard array of airbags and structural reinforcements, the 2026 van is built on a new platform that's designed to optimize crash performance from every angle. It's also one of the few vans in its class that comes with a rear occupant alert system and advanced driver monitoring. Now shifting inside. While we won't dive deep into every nook and cranny of the cabin, it's worth highlighting a few standout elements. The interior of the 2026 Volkswagen van is spacious, cleanly designed, and tech-forward. The dash is dominated by a large 15-inch floating touchscreen that controls most of the infotainment and vehicle functions. It's fast, responsive, and integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both of which are wireless. Behind the wheel, the driver gets a digital instrument cluster that's customizable and clear in all lighting conditions. It provides all the essential driving data along with navigation prompts and real-time energy consumption stats. The steering wheel is wrapped in vegan leather and features haptic feedback controls, allowing you to manage music, calls, and settings without taking your hands off. Seating in the front is exceptionally comfortable, with plenty of lumbar support and memory functions. The materials feel premium, with sustainable fabrics and recycled plastics used throughout the cabin, staying true to Volkswagen's eco-conscious design approach. Second and third row seats offer ample legroom and headroom, even for adults, and depending on the trim, you can opt for captain's chairs or a bench configuration. There's flexibility in spades, especially if you plan to haul passengers and cargo. Speaking of cargo, the van offers a flat-load floor and modular storage options. You can fold down the second and third rows or remove them entirely, creating a cavernous cargo area ideal for work equipment, sports gear, or a weekend camping trip. The rear hatch opens wide, and the low loading height makes it easy to get heavy items in and out. Another clever touch: there are numerous USB-C ports scattered throughout the cabin, wireless phone charging, and even a 110 volts outlet in higher trims. The available ambient lighting creates a relaxing vibe during nighttime drives, with 30+ color choices to set the mood. And yes, there's a panoramic glass roof option that brings in tons of natural light and makes the cabin feel even more spacious. Climate control is tri-zone, which means front passengers, second row occupants, and those in the rear can all adjust their own temperatures. The system is quick to cool or heat the cabin and includes air purification filters, which is a big plus for those in urban areas. One thing that many van buyers appreciate is visibility, and the 2026 VW van delivers. Large windows, a high seating position, and slim A-pillars give the driver a commanding view of the road. The surround view camera system adds confidence when navigating tight spaces or backing into a parking spot. On the tech side, Volkswagen has introduced over-the-air update capability for this van. That means features can be upgraded or added over time, including new driver assist features, infotainment enhancements, or even performance tweaks. This future-proofing approach means your investment continues to evolve as technology improves. The sound system, particularly in the higher trims, is handled by Harman Kardon, delivering crisp, balanced audio throughout the cabin. Whether you're taking calls on the go or jamming out to your favorite playlist, sound quality never disappoints. As far as customization goes, buyers can choose from a wide range of colors and trim options. Volkswagen has made it easy to tailor the van to individual tastes, whether you want something sporty, luxurious, or adventure-ready. Wheel options range from 18 to 21 inches, and there's even an off-road package that includes all-terrain tires and underbody protection, perfect for families who like to get out and explore. In terms of pricing, the base model starts around $49,000, while the fully loaded extended range AWD version goes up to $69,000 before incentives. For what you get: performance, practicality, tech, and safety, it's competitively positioned in the EV van segment. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Volkswagen van doesn't just live up to its heritage, it modernizes and reinvents it. With powerful electric performance, premium interior touches, a full suite of driver aids, and practical design elements, this van proves that utility and sophistication can go hand in hand. Whether you're using it for the daily commute, weekend getaways, or just to stand out on the road, this van delivers. Thanks for watching J Car Mania. If you enjoyed this deep dive review of the 2026 Volkswagen van, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and insights. Drop a comment below and tell us what you think about Volkswagen's latest van. Would you consider going electric with this model? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, drive smart, stay curious, and keep it locked right here on J Car Mania.